In part 3, we will look at different types of goods flows. The main focus is about outbound delivery, but we will also talk about warehouse processes that are special for the specific type of goods flow. For example, we will look into returns in the video about e-commerce. In this video, we are going to look at the most basic flow. We will place the order manually in Ongoing from a customer login. We will pick order by order without an integration to external systems, except for a TA system for booking the transport. In part 2, we did inbound deliveries, so have a look at that video if you want to learn more about inbound deliveries and transactions within the warehouse. Here we already have goods in stock. You find those at Goods Flow, Goods in Stock, or Goods per Location. Before we add an order, we have to set up the freight options. This can be left out if you do not need the information in your WMS. Go to Register Transport Companies. You could type in a transporter manually, but if you have an integration to a TA system, you can use this button to see and import the available transporters and their services. Now we have to add the freight agreements. Only services with an agreement will be visible to select on an order. Again, either type it in manually or import it from the TA system. Placing an order looks the same, regardless if you are a warehouse worker or administrator, or if you're a customer from a customer account. So let's log in as a customer. Since this is the customer's first order, the order list is still empty, but we can see the goods we have in stock. If you go to Goods Flow, Goods in Stock, you can find the current stock values. If you want to see the historical stock values, you find those at Statistics Historical Stock Values. To place the order, go to Order, Create Order. Since this is the customer's first order, he or she will have to create a customer. Customers can also be imported in advance from an Excel sheet. You add the order number and then select the freight options that you want to use. When the Create button is pushed, the order will be visible in the order list. But during the time your customer is working on the order, it has the status open. This is to prevent you from start picking an order that is not yet released. The next step is to add the order rows. You can search for an article here or in the dark blue header. If you're using article groups, you can also search for specific groups. If the customers want to save the order to complete it at a later stage, press Keep Order Open. As soon as the order has been closed, the status is changed to Released. Now we're back in the order list, and your customer can review the order he or she have placed, but no processing of the order can be done from a customer account. If we log back in as an administrator, we can now see the order. It has the status Released, so we know that we can start picking the order. By selecting the order, we can view details such as the order rows or customer information. We also find the order log with all actions that has been done to the order. We will pick this first order manually with a pick list. Mark the order, or as many orders as you would like to pick, and press Pick. This gives you a pick list, which can be printed automatically if you are using our printer service. The allocation algorithm in this case is set to FIFO, and the picking list is set up to make you follow the shortest path through the warehouse. The pick list can be customized to your requirements. If you select multiple orders, you will get multiple pick lists. If you want to pick multiple orders with the same pick list using a picking cart, you can look into the video about e-commerce order flows. Let's pick the next order with the scanning module. You first press Allocate to tie specific items to the order. This locks those items, but does not reduce the stock values. The order status is changed to Allocated, and this makes the order visible in the scanner. Go into outbound mode in the scanner and select an order to pick. The scanner will tell you what article to pick, how many, and from what location. Depending on the setup, it will ask you to confirm one or all of those steps. This means that you can choose only to scan the location, or to scan the location and then each item instead of typing in the number of items picked, as I will do here. You could also just confirm the picking by pushing a button instead of scanning, more or less like a digital pick list. When all items has been picked, the order will be closed. If the picker should also pack and label the order, the system can be configured to book a transportation and print the necessary documents when the order is closed in the scanner. In this case, the picker should not pack the order, so only the order status is changed. At the packing station, the person to pack the order can then check all orders that has been picked and press send. This will print a delivery note as well as transport labels fetched from the external TA system. You can take out the delivery note or other reports at any time by selecting an order and choose the report to print. If you expand an order, you can view who has picked the order and when. If you go to Goods Flow, Delivered Goods, you get an overview of all items delivered for this goods owner. This was the most basic way of picking orders. The system can be configured for all types of goods flows, of both high and low complexity. Contact us to discuss your requirements.